Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Synchrony home card. Now, I talked to you guys about this credit card previously, and somebody actually said that they were able to get approved for this credit card. They was able to get $1,000, and that is really good. So I want to talk about this credit card again, just in case those people need to get additional credit cards and you're trying to find another credit card to get. Now, Synchrony Bank, they have so many different credit cards. So if you guys can get approved for this credit card, or if you guys can possibly get approved for another credit card, I'm going to show you, then possibly you can look into this one because the other one is more popular to me than this credit card. Now, this is the Synchrony home card. Now, with the Synchrony home card, it is going to be one of those in-store cards. It's not a card that you're going to, be using anywhere that you want to use it, because it's not like a Visa, MasterCard, and it's not like a Discover card. So you guys cannot use this everywhere. You're going to only be able to use it at the Synchrony home store. I'm thinking that some people will probably want to get this credit card because with this one, it's going to be able to be reported to all three credit bureaus. And for those people that need help with their utilization, maybe they spent too much money on certain credit cards and want to fix their utilization, then this can be a credit card that can potentially help you guys. But as you can see, it's a lot of information about this credit card, and I want to actually go over this information with you. So let's start at the top. Let's go over all this information about this card. Now, this card, you guys, they have a special financing for the people that actually want to use it in the store. You guys will have that special financing between 12 months to 60 months. I don't want you guys to do any type of special financing if you cannot pay it off fully, or if you guys already have a lot of bills already, because if you guys take on like special financing, you're going to leave a balance on this credit card, and I don't want you guys to leave a balance because that's going to mess up your utilization. So make sure it's not going to mess with your utilization if you guys were to leave a balance on this card. But if you want to definitely do it, just understand your credit score is going to be lower than it would be if you guys wouldn't have left a balance on this card. And two, they have 6 months promotional financing, but you got to go to the location to see what type of special financing this would really be and to find out your complete terms. Now, I'm pretty sure they have a place on here, yep, right here, where you can be able to find like the different things that they have, and then you can be able to find their location here. So you can look right here and find the location. And when you guys look here and find the location, you guys can go in and ask them any questions that you guys may have. And you guys can possibly try to get approved in a store too. Now, sometimes when you guys are trying to get approved in a store, you may have a greater chance of getting approved for a credit card. So I know somebody said that about the BJ credit card, and that one, somebody said they was able to get, I believe, a $15,000. Yeah, here we go, right here. Somebody said that they actually went into the store, they was able to get pre-approved, and they got a $15,000 limit. So that isn't bad. So if you guys want to get approved, or you want greater chances, definitely go into the store. Now, I told you guys it was a card that's very similar to this. So let's kind of go over the pre-approval, and then let me get into that similar card. So if you guys want to help with your utilization further, then you guys can possibly get the other card. But let's look at the pre-qualification, because this credit card can actually pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I like that. And again, it's not going to be an impact to your credit score at all. Is a pre-qualification. That means they're going to let you know yes or no on whether or not they can approve you for the credit card, and then you can make the decision on whether or not you want to go through with the application. If they say yes, they could possibly pre-qualify you for a credit card. You're not going to get a hard inquiry. But if they give you an amount, or if they say, hey, we can pre-qualify you, and you accept it, that's when you guys are going to get that hard inquiry. But definitely see if you can pre-qualify. What you're going to need to do is you're going to have to put in the last 4 digits of your social security number or your ITIN number. And then also, you guys will also have to put your phone number in here. If you do not have a phone, you can click right here, I do not have a phone number. And if you guys haven't, if you guys really don't have a phone number, then you can go through this process. But you guys are most likely going to have a phone because they want to verify you guys. And I look like I messed up the page by doing that. But let's go look at that other account. Now, the other account that I was talking to you guys about is the Care Credit. Care Credit is with Synchrony Bank, you all. So again, if you can get that home card, or if you got the Care Credit, you can possibly get the home card. It's the same thing. It's under the same company. This company can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and a lot of people actually get higher limits on this card. So you guys may want to try to see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card, because they can give you a higher limit. Now, if you guys want to find a location, you can find a location, but usually people may get this credit card for utilization. Now, if you want to actually get this credit card, definitely check out the full review that I did on this credit card. But let me show you that pre-qualification so that you guys can see what you'll have to do. So you can go ahead and click on get started. And if you want to put a place in, then you can go ahead and put that place in here. Say if you want to, like if you want to really find a place, you can find a place. But if not, you just want to kind of see what's going on. Maybe I'll click dental. A lot of people are using this card for dental, and that's what I would use the card for also, for dental. Or you can use it for your pets too. Like if you take your pets in, you can use it for your pets also. Okay, so here's the screen right here where you guys will be able to pre-qualify for the credit card. And again, you can see it looks just like that Synchrony pre-qualification screen. They're going to need the last 4 digits of your social security number, put your phone number in, and then you can click continue. Now, again, I don't know let's go see what it's going to look like if you click I do not have a mobile number. Maybe it was the other screen, but let's see if they're going to say the same thing for us. Oh, no, this one actually came up. Maybe it was something I was doing wrong, but they had the special financing. They can give you an instant decision, and you guys will not have an annual fee. So they're asking you, how much are you requesting? Whatever you may want to request for your limit, you can put it right there. And if they can give you say if you request $5,000, if they can give you $5,000, they'll still give you an offer, and they'll still be able to let you know what they can give you. They're not just going to deny you. You want to put your first and last name in, your address, your housing situation, whether you own or rent. Yeah, then you just want to continue to fill this out: your phone number, your email address, twice, social security number, date of birth, monthly net income. And this is your net income from all of your sources. And if you hover over this thing right here, it's even more stuff that you may want to read to figure out what's your net income, not your gross, but your net. That means after all deductions, if you guys are self-employed, but what's your net after your taxes? And then click right here, see if I pre-qualify. But they'll be able to pre-qualify you for this credit card. But like I said too, if you're able to get that home card and maybe you want to use that for your utilization, maybe you can go and try to get that Care credit card too. That's why I showed you. Now, don't forget, you guys, I'm always coming on so I can teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days, because you can't pre-qualify for a lot of credit cards, or you won't have options of getting any credit cards if your credit score is really low and you have a lot of things that you need to fix on your credit. So make sure you guys join me. I have the link down below. I'll let you guys know when it's my next free webinars, my next free live event, so that you guys can participate. And here you'll learn the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Some people are going to see their credit score increase before the 60 days. I hope that you're going to see a lot of people we're going to see a lot of people increase their credit score in about that 30-day mark, but some people can go all the way down in 15 days. But let's see what you have to do to increase your credit score. Come and find out those ways, and I'll see you guys in the next video.